Be kurkurit because today we are showing you the top 5 street foods of South Goa. Starting with which one? Let's go. Starting this list off with my favorite, that is the Raya Kode Amgele Alzira food cart. My favorite auntie. She does it all. From roast omelette to steak to beef to chicken. Sogalameta. Where is it? The location is Santa Cruz Chapel. Sarke opposite Raya Road. Inside road of Raya there. Which is also opposite the Padre Arupe Institute Raya. Taja is side. So guys, we have reached the Alzira food cart and these guys make it all. Come, let's watch them in montage action.
हाय फ्रेंड्स मुगे नाव अल्जिरा आणि हो गाडा आम्ही 3 वर्सां जालीं चलयताय आणि आमी यांचे चिकन काफ्रियल कोताय आणि चिकन चिली कोताय चिकन विंडाळू कोताय हो चिकन विंडाळू बीफ रोस्ट कोताय केन्ना केन्ना मिन्स आसता चिकन 65 आसता चिकन बिर्याणी आसता सूप आसता आणि रोस आमलेट आसता चिकन इस्टेक आणि बीफ इस्टेक आणि आमी जेवणाच्योय ऑर्डर घेता हिंगा धाकल्यो धाकल्यो पार्टीज ऑर्डर घेताय कोणाक आमकां ऑर्डर दिवपा जाय जाल्यार आमगे नंबर हिंगा आसतलो.
सो आंटी तुमगे स्पेशलिटी कितें?
आमगे स्पेशलिटी चड अशें आमी चिकन कटलेट आनी बीफ कटलेटूच जेवतालीं ब्रेड पयलो मागीर कोण कोण हिंग सूप सोदपा आयलीं मागीर आमी सूप स्टार्ट केलो रोस आमलेट स्टार्ट केली मागीर जायतो लोक म्हणटाली आंटी टेक अवे कांय ना तुमकां ग्रेवी बीन मागीर तें आमी थोडें थोडें करून अशें करून स्टार्ट केलें केन्ना बीफ चिली केन्ना बीफ रोस्ट केन्ना काफ्रियल ते भाशेन आमी इल्लें करून स्टार्ट केलें आनी आतां आमगे जाता ते भाशेन गिरायक जाता.
कळ्ळें. आनी कितले ओपन तुमी?
5:30 ओपन कोताय आनी टील आमी 10 देखून आसताय.
So guys, we have a literal feast. सारकें फेस्त लागला आमचें बुफे काडल्या because we have chicken tikka biryani, we have roast omelette, चिकनचे 2 चिकन आहे आणि आमकडे आसा चिकन विंदालू, चिकन काफ्रियल सारके क्वांटिटीचे रे बॉय. Then we have chicken cutlet pav, cutlet plate, beef cutlet आमगेली. मागीर chicken chili, look at that color. And we have beef roast along with soup. And these guys have an amazing soup because they also add lady fingers and look at the quantity they add. And mind you, they use proper sunflower oil, not palm oil. Good stuff. Now let's begin. Let's begin to eat. We're going to go proper 5-star. We're going to start with the appetizer, that is the soup. And these guys have an amazing soup, as I told you. Cheers. Nice. The flavors are on point. The veggies, the macaroni, and it's crazy, guys. Let's move on to the beef roast. So guys, the beef roast, look at this. It has got proper chilies, onion, caramelized sarke and sarke color choy. Let's go with this small one. This reminds me of like when you go for a feast, when I go back to Ponda for a feast, my grandma used to make these things. Like that memories come back. Eating this with sanas would be such a dream come true right now. Now let's go for some Chinese. Let's go for chicken chili. So in the chicken chili, we have got proper pieces of chicken here. I'm got kanja asai. If you know, if you're one of them, you love this onion, right? So we're gonna go skip it now for now, but then we're gonna go for the chicken. Very sweet. The flavors are on point. There's a spice in it. It's very well balanced. Proper asa. Not like the typical Chinese. Like there's no just sauces put here. It's like proper Kerala, Goan and Chinese mix karun. Okay, Goan chili amkeli. Goan kara is favorite. The debate is if you like roast omelette more or you will like steak pav more. Not like. We're gonna skip this right now. We're gonna eat directly the good stuff. That is the kurkurit beef steak with some bhaji. Very crispy asa and it tastes power asa final. Now we have the kafriyal. Look at this, guys. Emare log kotta green chicken, but ekmunta actual kafriyal because I na kala. This is how it should be. Lemony, sweet, spices. Honey mass se bolla. Okay, last we're gonna go for not last, second last we're gonna go for the chicken vindaloo. So chicken vindaloo amche Portuguese influenced dish. We're gonna go for adasa piecing. Okay, let's go for the bone piece. Show me guys, flavors on point. This piece is amazing. I have people telling me when they come from the boat, from the ship, from UK. They come here. I know why. It's so good. Last, we're gonna try the roast omelette. Roast omelette, boy. Marshall limu आणि पाव. How I eat this is very simple. You take your pav with the gyro, बरोबर dip कर. कळलं का? सामको sponge असं. When it is सारखं अशें करून, you take some chicken. कळलं का? चिकन घे, ओयलां घाल आणि स्पून घेवन ऑमलेट सायडीन कर अशें करून. ऑमलेट मेळ्ळी. आतां ऑमलेट सेपरेट आनी तुगे बायट सेपरेट. पयलीं पाव आनी चिकन. And then the omelette with the roast. So final feast. We have the chicken tikka biryani. Spoon biryani with kanna half it's a hate crime. You go with your hands. So let's go. Rice, thodeसे बरेचे mass, and cheers. It's like eating on a Sunday घराकडे. Proper घरचे जेवण. Amazing, amazing. So, and let's enjoy this. So guys, you know the location. You got to come and try this. Sogle bare asa nga. Sogle final. So begin AI, and now we're gonna go to the next location. This is like a multi-dine, and they always change their thing. Every day you'll get something new. Now we are at Mashawa's. This place is trending right now, and this guy serves some amazing burgers. They also have some chicken garlic strips and roll asna. Also, we're going to try the loaded fries. So let's just go direct to the montage shot. Let's go. Here we have with this. This is heavy guy, like a dumbbell, and this is the Mashawa roll. Look how it looks like. We have visibly seeing the egg. We have chicken and the in-house sauce. Let's go for this. This is crazy. The taste, there is like sweet onions in this. The egg balances out very nice, and the sauce is not like other sauces. Like other sauce, what happens? This is very nice, Sargi. This may be my next favorite sauce after tahin. So guys, we have come to Mashawa's, and as they told us, they make everything fresh, and they have been here from the last 1 year. Yeah. 1 year crossed. And the best part about this place is Mashawa. The meaning of Mashawa's is a soup, Arabic soup. So, do you all have soup, bro? I like manchaos. Oh, so he likes manchaos, so he likes Mashawa's. But for now, the food is very good, very tasty. My first time coming here, it was been recommended by like a lot of people. So, yeah, guys, crazy good food. The location of Mashawa's is near Damodar School, opposite Namaste Chai, Komba. Railway track has a touch padla. Touch mukar. Yes, now we have the Mashawa's Addu burger. Look at this, guys. Sauce, the bun, soft bun, and you know what is inside, right? Loaded with chicken. Let's go for this one. So guys, we have the famous loaded fries from Mashawa's. Look at this. Same thing, guys, like a dumbbell, very heavy. We have with this the loaded fries. We have the Addu burger and the garlic fries. Look at this, how it looks like. Look at this, guys. Fries with chicken, chicken with fries. This is like chicken in fry, no. It's like fry in chicken. So much chicken is in this. And the cheese, oh my god, look at this bite, guys. Look at this, like a pool dive. When I say these are the best loaded fries I have had, forget the cafe. These are the best cafe, restaurant, made on. Too good. You're gonna hit your tongue like that. Spicy mayo. It's gonna kind of proper. Very good stuff. I'm gonna go take parcel because it's sort of style. So as Mr. Kurkuri, are these Kurkuri? Let's find out. It's so good, bro. Hot, juicy, tender. Now I'll show you how juicy they are. Whenever they stick, come out like this, juicy, guys. Some get juicy. And this sauce, oh my god. Bye-bye. I'm in no wait. And the last superstar of them all, the burger. Addu burger. बड़ा है क्या? इसे प्रेस करने का। वाओ, Adib bhai, competition. Crazy. So guys, from here we move on to something different. So guys, now we are at a famous Pani Puri guy. Not the girl, this time a guy. This guy is Bindu Pani Puri. This guy is on YouTube, Instagram और Pani Puri crazy I heard. So let's go try it out. So guys, Bindu bhai अभी हमारे YouTuber और Instagrammer इधर आपके पास हमारे पास है. And my Hindi is very weak, so I'm gonna ask him a question in Hindi. भाई आपका ऐसा लाइक क्या काटती हो आप कांदा? क्या स्पीड है? ओके सो सब कब से यहाँ पर हो भाई?
करीबन 5-6 साल से हैं।
और आप कहाँ से हो पहले से?
हम पहले हाउजी मोड़ में रहते थे, अभी 5-6 साल से यहाँ पे लगा रहे हैं। रहने वाले यूपी से हैं, आए हुए हैं कमाने के लिए। और हमारा नाम बिंदु है, बिंदु बिंदु भाई सब बोलते हैं ऐसे सब।
और आपका ऐसा आइडिया कैसे हुआ पानी पूरी स्टार्ट करने का?
ये पहले हमारे बड़े भाई बेच रहे थे, तो उन्हीं के जरिए हम लोग सीख कर अपना दुकान खोल कर चला रहे हैं।
और ऐसा कैसा रहता है आपका दिन का सेल?
सेल हो जाता है कभी नॉर्मल, कभी ज़्यादा कभी कम, कस्टमर के ऊपर है। जैसे कस्टमर आ जाए, कभी ज़्यादा आते हैं कभी कम आते हैं।
आपका सबसे मेन आइटम कौन सा है सब में से?
सब में से ऐसे तो कस्टमर आते हैं सभी खाते हैं, पानी पूरी, सेव पूरी, गोभी मंचूरियन। लेकिन अब कैसा कैसा बताए, कोई एक आइटम ज़्यादा बिके तो बताए। तीनों में अच्छा बिकता है तीनों।
सो गाइस, बिंदु भाई की अभी तक 1000 सब्सक्राइबर, कितने सब्सक्राइबर हैं?
1370।
1370 मतलब यूट्यूब पे और इंस्टाग्राम पे?
इंस्टाग्राम पे 1400 है।
1400 followers. So guys, make sure you subscribe to Bindu Bhai and me. We are, fun fact, we both are at the same subscriber count on YouTube. हाँ, यहाँ पर दोनों को सब्सक्राइब करो और बढ़ाओ। 3 लाख टारगेट है इसका सब्सक्राइबर काउंट का। So guys, you can see the show puri here. Let's try the first one. First boys. Yeah.
Nice, no?
Very nice. Let's go for the pani puri, guys. Yeah. Oh, ending this with a suka puri as always, and now we're going to my very good friend from Dubai. Let's go. If you know me, you know that I love shawarmas, and now today we are in Navilim, that is at the shawarma cartel. This guys have opened just a month back, and this guy is authentic. You know why? Because this guy has experience from Dubai. Dubai shawarmas is equal to magic, guys. And let's meet the owner himself.
Hey guys, this is Pedrito De Silva here, the owner of the Shawarma Cartel. Started this brand in order to provide good food for everyone. Taste matters and no preservatives. Everything is homemade, home cooked. And by the way, Ruben took time to come. The shawarma was this much, no, it's this much, in a span of 2 hours.
So guys, it's that time where we eat, and we have with us, this guy is the first one that I've seen who stamped their logo, like literally stamped their logo. And I'm gonna try the loaded fries, the bacon loaded peri peri fries. Let's go. As you can see, we have the fries, we have some bacon. It's now gonna get loaded with bacon. A perfect bite right there. It's like subtle. The flavors don't come at you. They come aram se. The sauces are something which are giving it a kick. Peri peri actually is like peri peri. I need the cheese sauce, the yellow sauce. Rich, creamy, nice, light. And bacon, bro. This is very nice, like very creamy. How I'll say, if you guys like Cheetos, imagine eating Cheetos with bacon, which is just like 10x good. Now we go for the King Shawarma and trying the authentic Dubai experience shawarma. Let's go. Attack. Flavor, boom. Chicken, succulent. The French fries are giving the balance, and the veggies. As you can see, it's not like typical veggies. You got the parsley there, the tomato. Crazy guys, crazy. Balance is very good. Something different. As a shawarma in Goa, that's something different. In Goa, you add mayonnaise maata hai, but it's not that. This you must try. Crazy good. So guys, you've seen this place. The vibe is amazing. The food is amazing. Pricing is crazy good. Come and check it out. Now we're gonna go to our last spot for today. Part 2 भी करना है ना, पेट भर गया. Last spot. बहुत freezing cold guys, because why? We at the last stop, we are at some dessert. Thanda thanda cool cool. We are at Mahavir ice cream and kulfi. Let's go. So guys, we are here with the owner of Mahavir, and what is your specialty? आपका main क्या है?
बादाम शेक
बादाम शेक. और इनके आइसक्रीम भी इनाउस है ना, मतलब इनाउस आइसक्रीम्स. इनके पास कौन से फ्लेवर है आपके पास?
आइसक्रीम में है ना काजू, मैंगो, पिस्ता, राजभोग, अमेरिकन, बटरस्कॉच, गुलकंद, पिस्ता, अंजीर.
और सबसे अच्छा वाला कौन सा है?
नॉर्मल अमेरिकन ड्राई फ्रूट. अमेरिकन ड्राई फ्रूट.
हम लोग एक बादाम शेक करेंगे विद आइसक्रीम, अमेरिकन ड्राई फ्रूट, और एक करेंगे क्या करेंगे? फर्स्ट ट्राई. लेट्स ट्राई आइसक्रीम. हाँ, और एक करेंगे कस्टर्ड.
कस्टर्ड विथ आइसक्रीम और बादाम शेक विथ आइसक्रीम.
यस. कोई कंजूसी नहीं गाइस, पूरा स्टफ किया अंदर. अभी स्कूप मारेंगे प्रॉपर वाला. So we have the cone, we have the cup, chocolate, mawa, and we have custard and the badam milk with American nuts. Let's begin. So guys, we're trying the badam milk first. Let's drink it. Wow, crazy mara. With the American nuts, ice cream, a big dollop of it. Wow. Power, power. Now, we're trying the custard. Same thing, we'll drink it first. Crazy guys. This was a perfect way to end it. So what are you guys waiting? Come now, visit all 5 places. The next hunt is going to be in North Goa. Baga, Kandolim, they're coming for you.